Evening Star Pattern. Introduction. Hello and welcome to Module 3 of the Mastering Candlestick Patterns course. In this lesson, we'll continue our exploration of bearish candlestick patterns by diving into the Evening Star Pattern. This pattern is a powerful indicator of potential trend reversals. Evening Star Pattern Structure. The Evening Star Pattern is a three-candle formation that occurs after an uptrend. It signifies a potential reversal from bullish to bearish. The Evening Star Pattern consists of three key components. The first candle is a large bullish candle indicating a strong uptrend. The second candle is a small doji or spinning top, reflecting market indecision. The third candle is a bearish candle that closes well below the midpoint of the first candle. Significance in predicting bearish reversals. Understanding the significance of the Evening Star Pattern in predicting bearish reversals is crucial for traders. The Evening Star Pattern signals a shift in market sentiment. The first bullish candle shows buyers in control, followed by the indecision of the second candle. The bearish candle that follows suggests potential selling pressure and a possible reversal. Historical chart analysis, accuracy of Evening Star Pattern. Let's analyze historical charts to see how the Evening Star Pattern has performed in real-world trading scenarios. In example 1, the Evening Star Pattern accurately predicted a trend reversal, providing traders with a valuable signal. Example 2 showcases another instance where the Evening Star Pattern marked a potential entry point for bearish trades. Confirmation and applying additional analysis. While the Evening Star Pattern is a strong signal, it's wise to seek confirmation from other technical indicators or patterns. Charts of Evening Star Patterns where confirmation from indicators played a significant role. As traders, we strive to make well-informed decisions by considering various factors that support our trading strategies. Conclusion. The Evening Star Pattern is a powerful tool for identifying potential bearish reversals. Remember that combining this pattern with other forms of analysis and confirmation signals can lead to more accurate trading decisions. Before moving on, review the key takeaways from this lesson. Gain a solid understanding of the Evening Star Pattern structure, its significance in predicting bearish reversals, and the importance of confirmation. Thank you for joining me in this lesson. I hope you're now equipped to recognize and interpret Evening Star Patterns. Keep practicing, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next lesson as we continue exploring more bearish candlestick patterns.